Hi, good morning. Are you doing okay? As I promised you last month, I'm going to show you my fat melting herbal tonic today. This tonic will help you lose weight really fast. It helps you reduce the stubborn fat around your waist and belly area. Because you know what, a lot of people, they put on weight very easily around their midsection and they find it really impossible to move that weight off. But with a few powerful natural ingredients, you can get rid of that stubborn belly fat really quickly. It accelerates your metabolism by boosting your fat burning. It basically gives a kickstart to your weight loss and fitness. So let us see how to make this wonderful fat melting herbal tonic. And I'll also explain you how and when to consume this to reduce the maximum fat. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that I will know that you like the content what I create. So let's get cracking, shall we? For making this herbal tonic, I soaked 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in 2 glasses of water last night. This has soaked for about 10 hours. You can see the water color has changed a little bit in the morning. I'm going to boil this in a pan for about 5 minutes in low flame. Both cumin and fennel seeds are great spices in increasing your metabolism. Now after 5 minutes, switch off the flame and then add 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers to this mixture. You will get the hibiscus in health food stores. I'll also give you the link for high quality hibiscus below this video. Let the hibiscus steep in the hot water for about 10 minutes. Once it cools down, filter it to a jar or a mug. Hibiscus helps you burn fat and it blocks the absorption of sugar and starch. It also lowers your stress levels and inflammation. I'm going to grate 2-inch piece of fresh ginger and squeeze the juice into this. Ginger juice accelerates the fat burning in our body. Then I'm adding 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its so many health benefits, including boosting the fat burning and reducing the storage of fat. It also regulates blood sugar levels and it improves gut health with its wonderful probiotics. Now add half teaspoon of sabja seeds. It's also called as basil seeds. This is high in protein and fiber. Basil seeds also prevent weight gain in people with metabolic syndrome. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper powder. Both turmeric and pepper have the capability to boost fat burning and increase our metabolism. Then goes half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This aromatic spice helps you fight your abdominal fat and it also helps in controlling the blood sugar levels. And I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon. Mix everything together and store it in a glass bottle. You can refrigerate this for a week. The best way to use this tonic to increase your fat burning and to reduce your belly fat is to take 1 tablespoon of this tonic and mix it in a glass of warm water. Drink this 15 minutes before you have your lunch and also 15 minutes before you eat your dinner. This will help you reduce the stubborn fat from your body. You can actually store this in refrigerator for 1 week. So you can make it during the weekends and you can consume this for the entire week. So make this at home and let me know how you're getting on with it. I love to read your comments and reply to all of you. So if you like this video, give it your thumbs up and stay connected with me by subscribing to my channel. Until I see you next time, remember to eat the right food because we are what we eat. Stay healthy and keep that smile on. Bye-bye.